Yep. Yep. The market is dropping on a Wednesday. How everybody doing? Um, let's see. Yesterday morning, for the most part, we were still holding sales from up here. We're still holding sales from up here that we got in at 9 o'clock. I believe I had stops right here, which ultimately got stopped out right at 8 o'clock last night. I still had a runner though, where I had stops above here, and as we can see, price never came back above these highs, but it did tap back into this uh, this area of interest, this consolidation box that was placed on Sunday. We did tap into that price range of 67.80 to 68 flat. Price rallied up and tapped into that 10 o'clock. And this really wasn't engulfing. It kind of closed. This kind of closed exactly where this kind of opened at. So by definition, it wasn't engulfing. But if you want to throw this wick that extended down, I guess, one could at least say, I'll take the sell. If we get a close below this wick, or as soon as we break the low of this, we can hop into sales and put your stops right above this peak. And as you can see, the overall take profit that we had set from this initial sell up here on Monday look like it will be getting hit this morning. And that's basically 66.70, I believe. Yeah, 66.70. So make sure my stop loss is 66. I'll take profit. It's 66.70. Bam. Mm. So yeah, we did. I just set my take profit on my trades. The little tester I have. Um, like I said, I got a tester from selling from up here. We got stop losses right here. So I have price comes up 50%. We'll be stopped out and could potentially look for a larger position to sell into, back down into these lows. So we shall see. See how this 15-minute play out this engulfing scenario. Let's see how we do. Yeah, I've seen instant growth in one the entries I'm taking, and the time availability that I'm giving myself to catch moves during the most highly volatile times of the day. And we are already at Wednesday, and all I can say is every day been a green day so far. And I know that has a lot to do with the way the markets is moving right now, but still in all, that's powerful, to know that you come from iffy weeks and somewhat struggling times and making random decisions on where you're going to enter and why the market is not taking you into profit fast enough, because you may be buying or entering into a market that is low on volatility, just overall low on volume. Like typically after the London New York crossover fades out like around 11, 12 noon, yeah, the market is dead until like 7, 8 p.m. As early as 6, depending on news, but really about 7, 8 p.m. You may get another injection of price action around that time going into London. So the fact that we chose this time, I mean, we both available to trade and to observe and analyze the market is just dope to, bounce off your ideas with like-minded people. So the growth is real, and I'm really expecting to see expenditure growth in this. Even though I have my hands in a lot of other businesses and opportunities, it's really time to take this and my ability to trade markets and push it to the limit overall, because it's gonna be rough for the old school way we've been transferring wealth and how we earn money in dollars. We're actually going through a transition right now that is unprecedented. Nobody has any history or any type of clues on what the outcome will be. This is all new, but what isn't new is the fact that opportunities will arise, from economic downturns that we live through, just like we've seen in the past. But those situations in the past have just been, the normal course of doing business between other countries. But when you have a topple in world currency dominance, that's where things shift. And, we just got to sit and wait to see how it's going to play out. But in the meantime, that don't mean stop from, accumulating wealth. That's not what that is. So we still going to stay on this daily and weekly grind with ease. Add that, because there's no stressing over here to get this money. That's big flex. When you have the tools, and you have enough discipline within yourself to follow a simple plan, because that's really what it is. That's why people beat themselves up so much with trading, or simply just with following the plan, because it's so easy. It's like somebody telling you you can make $1,000 a day just by crossing the street. Certain days you probably wouldn't get up because it's so easy. You just take a few days off. You got something where you can make 1,000 a day or more just by doing something simple. We were trained and geared to work hard and long hours, a lot of effort into trading. And when you find yourself up, in a situation where you can grow your wealth exponentially, but the task at hand is fairly simple. It just goes against everything we was taught, the way we were brought up to be employees. So there's multiple sets of training or I don't know, it's like just overall unwinding yourself out of the matrix that you were trained to be in, let alone training yourself how to see the markets and enter and exit trades. You got to train yourself on how to just see the opportunity and the way to make an income and produce an income. It's different. It's way different. People out here making average yearly salaries in a day or a week. Like, ain't nobody was taught that. And the world is not designed for everybody to make that, even though they print enough money to do so. But we all know where that money gonna go, even if it's in the hands of the people. It's gonna go where it's designed to go, because everything is created off of design. It's not chance. You're too smart for that. Let's quickly glance at the news right quick. See what we got going on. We have news in 32 minutes. Also 47 minutes, 7:15, 7:30. We got ADP employment change at 7:15. And at 7:30 balance of trade. And we have S&P Global Services and ISM non-manufacturing news release went out at 8:45 and 9 a.m. So we have to wait, but we do have some news coming out soon. 30 minutes and 45 minutes. So we got Scully on here. What's up, brother?
What's happening, man? How you doing?
Good.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, still got a tester runner still on sales from Monday.
Yeah.
Just waiting to see what this news gonna do.
Jumped in sales late overnight.
Nice. Did you catch that iffy engulfing at 11 o'clock?
No. I woke up at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and nice. I saw the movement. Yeah, and then I looked at. I did see that iffy engulf, and I was like, I moved over to the 4-hour, and I saw that was a huge engulfing. Rejection too, and it engulfed. So I was like, okay, I'll take this one.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, I'm still sitting in it.
Nice.
But if this hour closes, I'll get out and I'll get into a buy.
Yeah.
I mean, let me see.
I mean, I would. I mean, yes.
Yeah.
Based on the trading plan, yes, this would probably be a good buy. But I feel like we still have more room to go. Plus, we got news coming out in like 30, 45 minutes. So I would be cautious on that buy. But like I said, it's not a bad buy. If you take it, you won't have nothing negative to say about it. The only thing
not at all. Yeah,
is that news was coming out recently after. That's the only thing you could say negative about it. But other than that, yeah, it's a buy, just like any other buy you would take off of support or near support. So, yeah. That's a good one.
We shall see. I'll definitely keep an eye on it. But yeah, like I said, if it does do that, I'll take it.
You see
Especially
that
what
sweet rejection straight out of
did.
that area of interest that I drew out on Sunday. So it rejected that to the T.
Let's see. Where's you? Pull your chart up.
Oh, tripping. I'll be forgetting. That wick.
Oh yeah, it came right back into it. Yeah, that's
right
sweet.
Back into it to the T, bro.
That is sweet.
Damn. It's all algorithmic, man.
Pretty much.
Once you know the market and you've been watching it, you'll know what it can do and why it did what it did. Like, you know. Yeah. We're in the last 15 minutes of this hour.
But yeah, bro, last 15-minute play out.
This week so far has been the best week of the year. Yes, sir. All off of us just linking in the morning like this, like real talk.
Yeah, man, we gotta clap it up for that.
Nah, fact, that's the clap song, man.
Man. There we go. I can't hear y'all. Come on, man. Let's go. That's that J Electronica. Yeah. For sure.
Yeah, shout out to J Electronica, man. He get me through my night while I be driving, vibing to his sounds while I be driving Uber.
Oh yeah.
Well, no, not J. I'm tripping. Not J. I'm thinking my Ninth Wonder.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah. Kind of same circle, but
yeah, for sure. for sure.
But not to mention that is a good person I should add into the mix. He would be perfect for the vibes.
Yeah, that dude is he amazing.
Okay. Yeah, it's looking like you might get that engulfing, man. 10 minutes.
Yeah. I do think so. And then, like, the reason why I really like this, the way that is happening, if you look on the daily, we reached down to feel that price of that bullish movement we got from that news, and now we're gonna reject it, and I think we're gonna start heading back up to.
Oh, you think this is a retest from that?
60. Oh yeah.
If that's true, then that means that wasn't a fake out. That was a breakout, and we were retesting to continue bullish.
A fake out is when it goes in the opposite direction right after the candle. So it did that. So it like if people would have got buys, they would have been a crazy drawdown on the daily. So I think that is the right movement. Like just looking at the technicals of it, just like, oh, okay, like you said, we have room to still go up. I would say at least to 68, 68.05, 68.10 or something like that, 68.20. Like I think we can still reach up to there on the daily, but
and that would be like the next day. Would you agree?
Yes, I don't see that happening today. If it does, then
that would be a total
I'm gonna knock it out the park.
Yeah. That ain't never happened before. Like that would be crazy for the candle to be sitting like this and do a complete flip. Now I have seen it close like this and then the next daily would turn bullish. But for a price to turn like this and flip turn bullish, yeah, that's like NFP news to flip that. Which we don't have today, but these are the markets, folks. Who knows? But we do know we got an engulfing scenario here, and we just had another engulfing scenario, rejection from the top. So keep that in mind. We are coming from an engulfing color change too off the buys. That could be a retest. So we just we won't know. It'll be more answers, more questions answered once we either break these lows or turn back up and start to having more stronger closes. Not even close above it, but where all these wicks are rejecting, wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection. We got a strong close even right there. That'll like I have more confidence that we could be pushing higher.
Yeah.
Instead of more wick rejections up in here, but we definitely got time. So I love this forex shit, man.
Yeah, I mean it looks good for a prime buy. I really like it. I mean, I'm definitely going to take it, but yeah, I kind of really like this one. But that's right now. Something stupid could happen, and then before this hour close, I don't see that happening, but it can.
And I'm gonna take an extra step. I would get out of that sell runner, and I would get into buys if two things happen. One, we get this bullish engulfing close, and we get a break above the wick that this candle is created. So basically, once we break above that high, I would get into buys. I'm not gonna trust this engulfing just yet.
Above what wick?
The current engulfing candle that's about to close, if it
Okay.
closes engulfing, once price breaks that high, that's when I would get into buys. Like I need that extra confirmation because I still feel like we can go as low as 66.70.
Yeah.
I still feel like we got more room to drop up in there before we pop up higher. But nonetheless, if you get into these buys, and I mean, it would definitely get a tester first because you're gonna be putting your stops below here, and then we have areas of interest, liquidity, however you want to call it, right here. So putting your stop loss right here would kind of almost guarantee you to get stopped out. So try not to go too heavy on this buy when you do enter.
Yeah, man. First entry is a tester.
Always.
And I'll have, like, if it closes right now, I'll enter in a tester, and I'll have a buy order right above it, right above that wick. Let's say 67.05, just to be safe. I'll go ahead and mark a buy order right there right now because I don't see it shooting up. And if it does, then I'm in it heavy. So I'm gonna put a buy order in right now at 67.05, and I'm gonna just hold that for the day.
Okay. Is this your tester entry or this is a heavy entry?
This is my heavy entry. My tester is I'm gonna enter that manually after the close.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and
We got 5 minutes.
you know what I'm gonna do first? I'm gonna get out of my sell because I'm up 30 pips on it.
Oh yeah.
So just close that sell because that ran good. I was in my dreams when that happened. So
Sweet dreams.
in your dreams, sweet dreams indeed. And then I'll go ahead and mark my entries at So that's
Shout out to catching that sale, man. I like how you analyze multiple time frames to confirm that entry because nonetheless you were kind of late for that iffy engulfing at the top,
yep.
but you confirmed with the 4 hour that it engulfed and still had room to go. So that was enough confirmation for you to get in, like that you was
And another confirmation is with London open volume too. So I was like,
yes,
you know what volume is already showing me.
yeah. They're not
I
about to
like,
switch.
yep,
Yeah, they're gonna take that all the way.
yes, sir.
And that's what it looked like New York can possibly do is buy it up
Hmm.
to just for the retest to enter into another sale position potentially. It could be the scenario. Enter a
Yeah,
sale from at 67.20.
yeah.
But we'll see.
And this one is really good too. Like you got an engulfing, but he got a wick that's forming too at the top and in the bottom, but it engulfed. So it's like I really like this one. I really do. We still go
And
kick back
depending
and
on the size of the body, will depending on how much of an indecision this will be. Just like these candles down here, you got wicks at the top and bottom, but small body in the middle. And you'll get
where
those around turning points,
which one?
like right up in here. Let's see. Like around turning points, you'll get indecision size candles where they have
Oh
wicks at the
yeah,
top.
yeah. It'll have to for sure, yeah, engulf
Right, right,
something
right,
like that. And another reason why I do like this setup is because it's if you look to the left, you are hitting consolidation right now. So
right,
it's
right
not
up in
like
here.
it don't have to be a tippy top or tippy bottom. You just want to have some type of consolidation, support resistance forming.
Hmm.
And yeah, you get a reversal strong like this. This is considered strong in my eyes. Um, yeah, and then you got stupid clean traffic like to eat up
Yeah,
different session like crossing over like yeah man why not, and then I'm already up, so I'm not even tripping
right.
on like I'm managing risk because I'm going in um with land yep
Yeah, house money.
house money man, like no I don't need a brown bag lunch. My mama actually got me this time. I got a
Fact.
lunchable nigga. You want some?
No, fact. What a Capri Sun.
What a Capri Sun snack pack. One of them big ones, like the ones you can't have a regular lunchbox to bring that big.
Facts. You
Nigga,
got to put in your backpack.
I'm about to say your backpack or your mama give you a grocery bag for that big.
Mmm.
Come on, bro.
With a nice little tie at the top so no one fall out.
Yeah.
Big
Well,
facts.
you're gonna need some scissors to open that bitch. It'll
Oh
be
yeah, big facts. Like your mom used to roll little graham bags back in the day, like in the little sandwich bags, tied up real tight.
oh,
One more minute on this close. You drink coffee still?
not as much.
I
I've
used
been
to
back
be on
on
that French press.
I've been on my tea. But we have an espresso like
Hmm.
maker thing.
Hmm.
So when I do drink coffee, like I'm hitting it.
Oh, you
Like I
taking
don't really,
espresso shots?
yeah, I be hitting them espressos. But yeah, I still be on that tea.
Nice. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm.
All right, I'm in buzz.
Bet.
on my
I see it.
tester. And let's see what this does.
Mm-hmm. And we do have news coming out in 15 minutes. ADP, unemployment change.
I love it.
So that might be the push you need, brother.
Yep, I think that'll. I think that's gonna bring me to the promised land.
Right. So I'll bring you somewhere. That's for damn
That's gonna bring
sure.
somewhere. It might bring me to the next stop, and I might have to wait for the next bus. But hey, I made some.
As long
movement.
as the bus is running,
Yes,
you
that
know,
is
you good. As long as the bus is running, you don't want to be at the bus stop and none of the buses are running.
Mm-hmm. That is a fact. So, I mean, this is pretty. This is a pretty simple and perfect live
Scenario.
live scenario of
That's
a
what we
color
want.
change, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, that's definitely what we want. That's what we want y'all to kind of see and witness, if you will. So, we had a color change that just happened on the 1 hour. Yeah, and we, I'm definitely in that. This first entry is a tester. Then I have an actual buy entry right above that tester, which is at like 67.05 on some shit.
Nice.
And maybe 67.03 to be exact, but yeah, it's right up in there. So
Well, you got stops at below the low?
you already know.
Oh, that bitch popped up. See, this is where I would enter in right now. But I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient, wait for the news,
Yeah,
just to
man.
see what happened. But great entry nonetheless. Let's see, we got the FXBros color change engulfing indicator letting us know that buys are in play right now.
Nice. That's a nice view.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm in on the
I got you in on the big one?
yeah.
That spread must have jumped up. Maybe Oanda just showing different. Oh, where's our midnight? Up there. That was yesterday's low.
So that's pretty much like
broken at 3 o'clock.
20 pip, something like that stop loss, and I'm looking for like a 40 pip take profit. So I'll take a 2 for 1.
Nice. Shit, on the cool, you could do a Raja trade on this whole, and you could be doing 1-to-1s.
Yeah, I mean, shit.
That 1-to-1 will put you right at 67.20. That'll be a nice little area to at least take majority of your trade off.
Yeah, I do that as a TP1 and a mental TP1. And then once it shoots up, I'll put my stop loss right there and secure that.
Do you take profit off your trades ever?
Never.
Why
I
not?
hold because
I
I
mean,
hold
because
my
I guess you through the engulfing setups, you rarely see your trade come back to like hitting the stop loss per se.
hmm
Right.
yeah. And then that's like me saying I don't want to lose, or I don't want to have a losing trade, so I'm gonna take off a little bit. And that's just not my style, like
No, facts.
if I'm in the game, I'm gonna finish it all the way through.
No, I got you.
Um,
you don't risk too much to where it's not an uncomfortable situation to sit in that trade either.
I mean, what I'm risking.
You already understood the loss before you entered the trade.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, that's how
I
you
looked
always
at
look
it,
at it.
looked at myself in the mirror,
Yeah,
said, "Am I okay with this?"
yeah. If this ends bad, am I okay with this loss?
Yeah. And I would say for sure, because I'm already up.
Man, come on. Compared to last year, yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
When you look at the grand scheme of things, yeah, you
Ryan's thing.
up.
Probably. So you go see that Mario movie today, huh?
Either today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Got 2 days that everybody's kind of off work and stuff, so we can go together. So
That's dope, man.
either today or tomorrow. And I'm kind of leaning on tomorrow because I really don't care for going to see movies the first day because that's when all the crazies and the diehard fans are gonna be there dressed up in Mario costumes and all. So just to bypass all that, like I saw it the first day, like them people. But I will be having my Mario T-shirt on.
I'm about to say I
I
pulled
wish
out
I
my
had an FXBros hat. I would wore that. That's what I nigga need. Like I want to start wearing like shirts that say like FXBros on the front and on the back say something like want to learn Forex or I can show you how or something like that. Something catchy to where people will tap you on your shoulder like, what that mean?
Or you could throw a shirt on that has a logo on the front and like a QR code or something on the back.
Oh, you know it'd be hard, bro. But only if Forex traders would get it. I don't know if it'd be hard. But I guess it would be hard, like fashionably, but like to have that, but on the back, a QR code, like you said, but a picture of like a fire ass trade setup that we took. Like a screenshot or some shit.
Yeah, that'll be cool. That'll go over most people's head. Well, not really.
Like I said, it'll probably be dope for Forex traders. They would get that more than like the mass.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it'll be a bunch of jargon. But yeah, the QR code would be dope. I like that idea. Because somebody could just be behind you scanning. They'll instantly follow us and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we need some merch. I'd be outside too much to be wearing it. And like if I'm gonna wear something, I might as well push the brand.
You could probably look up some stuff. I'm thinking about coming down there for April for that crawfish boil. We could probably set some time aside and get some stuff printed or set up to be printed.
Okay. Because you already got plugs on, like T-shirts and all that crap.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just gotta come up with some designs.
Uh-huh.
Which ain't gonna be too hard.
That's the fun part.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I want to.
Real.
I want to help with the design.
So you said we got news when?
5 minutes. Let me see.
Well, I'm gonna make some tea and get myself situated. I'm gonna stay on here to that news release, and then I'm gonna head on out.
Okay.
But just give me like a minute or so. I'll be right back.
Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the charts up, or the news chart up. That way we can see what the news release says, and then we'll go to the charts and see what happens. You know. As I am. 3 more minutes for news releases. ADP employment change. According to the ADP National Employment Report, non-farm private employment in the United States is being monitored. It is developed by Automatic Data Processing, ADP, and is based on actual payroll data from around 24 million employees. A higher than expected figure should be seen as a positive or bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative or bearish for the USD. Previously, we were at 242. They are assuming that we should be at 200K, which would be a decrease. And what did we say last time? Positive is bullish, a lower is negative. And they are expecting a lower, so that should be negative. Bye, Bella. Have a good day at school. So if this news event will have any power in the markets, and we do see a lower number, and it is a bullish sign for the USD, we should see a increase in the market. Countdown, 50 seconds. I'm watching it live. We counting down. Let's see what this news release is going to be. If we do get a lower number, we will be shooting higher on the market. That's what we should be. 30 seconds. News release coming out soon.
All right, what we looking like?
20 seconds. News release is coming out soon. I already broke it down. If we get a lower number than the previous, closer to the consensus, we should see an increase in the market.
All
That is
right.
a bearish sign. A lower number is a bearish sign for the USD, and the news release is out. 145. Ooh, real bearish number.
We rolling.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Just
We
like
roll.
that.
We rolling. We are rolling, ladies and gentlemen.
Just like that, bro.
So what I'm gonna do is
when you combine technicals and fundamentals, it's a beautiful thing.
yeah, you can't really lose at all.
Mm-mm. Now we do know the market understands that everybody is in these buys, so expect to see some trickery and some fuckery. Don't be scared. You know, if your stop loss get hit, that's just the market trying to shake people out as head fakes, pump fakes, if you will.
Yep.
But
Be okay with the outcome, man.
yeah, be okay with the outcome overall because the news is already in there. The charts is showing you what the what price is trying to do, and you just got to be a part of it. Simple as that. And we're giving you simple ways to get into the market. Like you shouldn't want it no easier than this.
Put the chart up for the action.
Oh man, tripping, y'all. My bad. I gotta be quick on that. Like there is a button I can click, but I be forgetting. I be toggling between the screens, but they actually have a button where I can just instantly share the screen I'm looking at now. I gotta be a little quicker on that. So
No, it's all
apologize
good.
for all our 10,000 viewers watching right now. My bad, y'all.
Yes, man.
Y'all hit me in the gulag
That's what I'm talking about.
and let me know.
Yes,
Yeah,
shout
come
out
on,
to
man.
Roger.
Come on, man. You don't think I know the term?
Yeah, the gulag on my own. But yeah, man. I think like I said, I still have my
Well, you got
you know,
TP at?
my ultimate TP is at 67.50, and
Nice.
then I have that like I said, that mental one right there. It's what, 67.20.
20. Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, man, I'm gonna just let this one ride.
Yes,
I know
sir.
we got other news that's coming out too, so I'm not gonna
Yes, we do. 7:30. We
7:30.
have balance of trade.
Oh, you already know, and that's US.
U.S. Since the 1976, the United States has consistently maintained a trade deficit due to significant imports of oil and consumer goods.
Okay, so if that number is terrible, then we go shoot up more, correct?
A higher than expected figure should be positive for bullish. A lower than expected figure should be negative or bearish. So if we do get a lower number, we should see a increase in the market. We should see a bullish jump. So
And if anybody has been tuned in to what's going on with BRICS, US and other countries as far as their trading and handling of business, a lot of these countries are swaying away from doing, I wouldn't say any type of trade, but for sure using their currency to do so. They're
right,
swaying away from that.
right.
So yeah, bro, I think we are good to continue these buys if that's the case. If not, like I said, stop loss are where they are. Whatever happens, happens. I do know that there's news is coming out at 7:30, so I won't be surprised by that. But yeah, man,
Gotcha.
well done, well done. Um, I will for sure keep this tapped in. I actually listen to the live when I be on my way to work, just to
Bet.
finish it up. But yeah, man, I'm about to head out, get this day started.
All right,
Um,
bro.
feeling real good, feeling blessed as always. But yeah, man. continue doing what you're doing, what we're doing, and these charts
Like
will play out like they're supposed to.
Yes, sir.
Y'all know what it is,
bro.
man.
Have a good one, brother.
All right, man. Be good, brother.
Yes, sir. We see you tomorrow.
All right, peace.
Peace out. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna just watch this trade play out. As it's playing out beautiful. Like I said, I was waiting for news to be released and entries above the break of this high. Just like bro said, we got take profits at 67.50 ultimately, but I would look to take off some of the position at 67.20. That's a high probable place where we could reject from, being that we had resistance here, we got support here, and we could potentially be hitting another resistance there at 67.20, but who knows, we could break straight through it. If we get a lower than expected number on this news that's coming out in 10 minutes, then that will make the Australian dollar continue bullish. And previous was negative 68 billion. The consensus is negative 69 billion. So if it would be positive if the number is lower, because if we pay down our deficit, then that means that's positive for the US dollar. If we increase, a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive. So a higher figure would mean a smaller figure from here, because higher is positive, meaning paying off our deficit. So the figure in the actual amount of what owed would drop, but that would be a bullish sign because we're paying down our deficit. And if the deficit grows, if we go higher to 69 or 69 plus, then we should drop. The market should tank. That means the dollar is weakening against our deficit because we owe more money. In 2018, the highest trade deficit were recorded by China, Mexico, Germany, Japan, Ireland, Vietnam, and Italy, while the largest trade surpluses were recorded by Hong Kong, the Netherlands, Australia, the United Arab Emirates, Belgium, Brazil, and Panama in the same year. China is the country's largest trading partner, accounting for 16% of total commerce, followed by Canada, 15%, and Mexico, 15%. A higher than expected figure should seem positive, while a lower than expected figure should seem negative. Oh. This is beautiful, man. Catching sales overnight and catching buys in the morning. It's amazing. And it'll be even harder if we catch the flip side of continuation sales, depending on how this news release will be on in 5 minutes. We will know in the next 5 minutes. 4 more minutes on that news release. I'll be right back, guys. We got 3 more minutes left on this news release. Let me go back to my FX book. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. $50 seconds on this news release. We got 50 seconds on the news. $20 seconds. 15 seconds. Previous was 68.3, consensus 69, and in 5 seconds we will find out that we are at 70. We went way higher. So the market should sell off. I mean, the market should. Yeah, should be selling off. All right. I think we're gonna let this bullish move play out first before we do get that sell off. Yeah. Definitely was a bullish move this morning. Shout out to everybody that caught that. Easy play off of support. Bullish engulfing. Ran for at least 10 pips right up here, 67.07. Then ran up for another 20, but that was at the high. So very difficult to catch that. So nonetheless, you probably would have, if you would have been stopped out in profit after it pushed higher to 10 pips, you would have at least grabbed 10 out of this and would have been happy with it. You know. What more would you want to ask for us? The morning. You got another winning trade. Move on to the next day. Rinse and repeat. Who knows? We still could see a rejection if the market continues to push higher. We got 25 more minutes left. Let's see what type of action we got on the smaller time frame. So this was that initial push from 7 o'clock. Or 6 o'clock, really. Then going into 7. Look like we probably gonna be filling this wick. So pushing the 67.20s. So that hypothetical area of interest that Jay was talking about look like it could definitely be hit. Yeah, it's just a waiting game. We'll wait and see how this hourly close. We do have more news later on this morning. We got the S&P Global and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. It's coming out in an hour at 8:45. See the S&P Global Services. They don't really explain nothing on that. It's just saying a higher number is bullish and a lower number is bearish. Let's see about the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. The ISM non-manufacturing report on businesses based on information gathered from purchasing and supply executives around the country. If there has been a change in the current month compared to the prior month, the results of the survey reflect this. This report provides the percentage of respondents reporting each response, business activity, new orders, backlog of orders, new export orders, inventory change, inventory sentiment, imports, prices, employment, and supplier deliveries, and the diffusion index for each indicator measured. An index reading greater than 50% suggests that the non-manufacturing economy in that index is generally growing. A reading less than 50% implies that it is genuinely decreasing. Orders to service producers account for approximately 90% of the U.S. economy. Wow. What was ISL? Manufacturing PMI is 46. So it's not growing because it's under 50%. See what the last reading was. Non-manufacturing PMI is growing. Previous was 55, they're expecting it to drop to 54, so it is growing.
Look, man, I don't know who need to hear this. Y'all little niggas need to stop trapping and give it up. It used to be about the quality of the ZA. That's what it used to be about, just quality. All y'all motherfuckers care about is the bag. Do the bag look good? Do the bag look like candy? Motherfuckers say slushy. What? The motherfuckers say slushy. And the weed wasn't hitting on nothing. This ZA now. FXBros gonna get it to your front door. 150 flavors. This what came in the slushy bag. Crunchy. Motherfucker had sticks in it. With coffee bean. Look, man, I don't know who need to hear this. Y'all little niggas need to stop trapping and give it up. That's all they do is TikTok. I don't know motherfucking TikTok, bro. Well, Jada, let me do it like. Lady, bro, I do not be doing no TikTok, bro. I'm trying to get it right, bro. Fuck the hood up with this one little tray. I ain't even gonna lie, my boy. No, real hitter for real. Ain't nobody say you want really no stepper, bro. I watch you catch 8 bodies myself, nigga. And that's on camera. Nigga, you ain't deserve this shit, my boy. The whole hood knew who was really stepping on shit. Real hitters don't deserve that. Nah. Yeah, so hard. For real. And I wouldn't be me if I ain't bring you a 3-5 and some Zai. You know how you smoking, bro. Nothing mid, nothing regular, straight Zai. I finally hit Lil Keisha, nigga. And I know you had something to do with it. We both been trying to hit her, but as soon as you left, she went, come on, man. I know that had to be a little trait. Well, I know I had to bring you a deuce of that walk. Deuce of that walk. I know what you sipping on up there. It might be a little less if I hit that motherfucker on the way over there. But you know I got you, motherfucker. Straight drop. We been get back game. We been standing. If they take one of us, we take 3 them. That's how we go and get even. If they take one of us, we take 3 them. That's how we go and get even. Oh, goddamn. Come on, shopping in a minute. We getting real money down. It wasn't about that. Show me today, you know. You know, I need everything in the 34 and a million one, you know.
All right, your total is 12.83 with 60 cents.
I'll take Apple Pay.
Mm-hmm.
Word. Not working.
I'm sorry, that's not going through.
All right, how about this? You should be able to put 200 on each one. Hopefully you got 50 on it. This card, better put like 600 on it. I gotta go to the car real quick, call my bank. I'll be right back though. Let's see what you can do though.
Okay.
No, you niggas got me in the store looking dumb because these bum ass profiles you keep sending me, word? And I'm not jacking it. Word to my day, you get me tight, bro. Yo, you and them bum ass niggas won't eat on the street for the next 20 years. You don't fix this right now. You heard? You bum? You dumb? Yeah, scare me so you heard? You niggas is not getting no money, man. It's 2023. We got more iPhones in the Apple store, you heard? You niggas want to drive an Apple man, come work for me, you heard? You niggas never did 100 in a day, my nigga. You know, shorty, that's good. You see what we're working with, my boy? Yo, watch out, shorty. I'm about to take you shopping in a minute. We getting real money down. It wasn't my dad. Oh, my boy, good. Yo, shorty, give it up what you want to have. Show me today, you know? So I went ahead, I just decided I ain't gonna charge you for this one, my boy. It's on the house. I'm gonna clean you up so you can get up out of here. Hold on, bro. I told you to stop moving, bro. Told you not to move. I'm gonna be able. I should be able to bring you back. So I went ahead. I just decided I ain't gonna charge you for this one, my boy. This nigga trying to say I'm overreacting because I don't follow girl on Instagram. We all will follow the nigga. Me, Hello G, baby, nigga. We not following the fucking rats, nigga. I'm not listening to fucking Boston bitches. None of them ratatouille ass niggas who fuck me. I was gonna put gun on my album, but I said fuck it now. No rat on my shit, bro. The nigga probably don't even wanna be on your shit. But he can't be if he did go through it. I don't wanna be on that shit no way. You feel me? Shit's lame, bro. Y'all niggas fucking rats, bro. I don't know what to believe. Cal, Slime did not tell that man to do that. Slime did not tell that man to do that. On my life, Mama Slime did not tell that boy to snitch on me. You act like you know the first to this. Bro, I just know how Slime be thinking, bro. Like, it's a difference between a big case and a state case, bro. What's the difference? Like, shit like the judges and time that be giving out be different, bro.
That was the time.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You need to cut this nigga shit off. You know them niggas took that nigga chain last week, bro. Everybody in the hood rocking that nigga chain.
Bro, nobody worries about niggas chain.
We do not bump niggas who get their fucking chain took. If a nigga ain't ever reach my chain, nigga gonna die behind this
Nobody
shit.
gonna take that baby ass chain.
I bet a nigga won't reach niggas murder behind this shit. Niggas a hood choke.
Alright, bro, get back to work.
This nigga trying to say I'm overreacting because I don't follow gun on Instagram. We all will follow the nigga. Me, Hello G, baby, nigga. We not following the fucking rats, nigga. I'm not listening to fucking Boston bitches. None of them ratatouille ass niggas who fuck me. I was gonna put gun on my album, but I said fuck it now. No rat on my shit, bro. The nigga probably don't even wanna be on your shit. But he can't be if he did go through it.
I have a little slight reversal situation. We got this hourly about to close in 10 minutes.
Trying to not tell that man to do that. Trying to not tell that man to do that. On my life, Mama Slime did
So
not
sit here and wait to see how market reacts to
bro, I just know how Slime be thinking, bro. Like, it's a difference between a big case
to the close of this hour.
What's the difference? Like, shit like the judges and time that they giving out be different, bro.
That was the time.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You need to cut this nigga shit off.
Kick back and watch it right quick.
Everybody in the hood rocking that nigga chain.
Bro, nobody worries about
Hey, I got you, my boy. Hey, I got you right here. Don't worry about it. Y'all know I'm finna get this boy right. Y'all know I got him. Stop playing. You're gonna get my boy right. What hood you from, my boy? You're not. I ain't mad, young nigga. How much y'all boys be getting them pounds for? Man, you square as hell. This never was really my passion. It's like this shit chose me. Yeah. I don't know who the fuck cut your hair before this, but I'm gonna go and get your shit right back on track. After this, we're gonna let everything grow in. I gotta reset your hairline, because whoever cut your hair last time, they fucked your shit up. Bro, whoa. Stay straight, bro. You gonna fuck me up. You ain't got no hole, young nigga. No, I got that. No, I got a girlfriend. Why ain't that, nigga? So I went ahead and took out the part you had just so I can reset your hairline, because whoever cut you last time fucked your shit up. Tilt your head. Hold on. Tilt your head. Look at it. Just hold on. Just look at it. Look down. Look down. I got you, my boy. Hey. All the money. Get as much as you can about it. You can't get no money. Shut up. Hey, get your damn money out there and make it in. I can match. Let's go.
Hey, make yourself comfortable. Got you guys food because I'm with your friends, so I know you guys are hungry.
Bro, get the fuck out the way, though. Hurry up.
Sorry.
What's up with you? Bro, you ain't get no barbecue sauce?
Sorry. You want to go back?
What the fuck, bro? I didn't even know if I ever get locked up, I go down for some shit that you can hold it down. I need to know you could be in charge.
I'm in charge.
No, you're my partner. I need to feel that shit.
I'm in charge. How long have you guys been dating?
Excuse me? So I've been fucking with shots like Roll Loud when we locked in there. Locked in. All the money. Get as much as you can about it, so you can't get no money. Shut up. Hey, get the damn money out there, mate.
Hold on, guys.
Take a picture.
Just go and just take your phone with you and put that in your mouth. You ain't gotta get up here. You gotta, and then when you so funny though, it'll be hilarious. You make a lot of money. You get on record and get somebody to animate a video of something and with the audio. That shit would kill. You want to be the real video. It's even funny without the real video. You put some animation to that shit. Right. Yeah, that's hilarious. Huh? Still pushing high. We got 3 more minutes for the hourly to close. How high will we go? No one knows. But we locked in regardless. Stop should be moved in the break even right now.
Kids, nigga. I'm paying $300 an hour. I give a fuck about some kids, nigga. How are you? Let's take a picture. Anybody ever told you talk a little too much? Okay, let's go. Thank you. So what would you like Santa to bring you for Christmas? Wow. Sounds like you need to get a job. That's talk right there. Yeah. I can't go home. Oh, I'm trying to get out of work. You ain't trying to get Santa no love.
Hey, Santa. Hey, bro, I just wanted to say appreciate what you doing for the kids, bro.
Kids, nigga. I'm paying $300 an hour. I give a fuck about some kids, nigga. Hey, how are you, little girl? How was your birthday? How are you? Let's take a picture. Anybody ever told you talk a little too much?
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Over again. What's up, guys? Welcome. So, you're going to go to the dark side today, huh? Just kidding. You're going to 1500 core way, right? Yes. Yeah, already sounds good. Let's go. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Are you guys like into rage or anything like that? That's like the whole like type of fucking scene I'm into. Like we go fucking insane. Have you guys like ever spent a minute with like sacrifice? It's not as bad as most people try to make it out to be. Sunset, red open, ever red.
Hey, bro.
We lost it all. Nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Guys, I fucking dropped acid this morning like at 11 a.m. And my body has been feeling fucking insane. I'm like still in fucking raging. You guys ever done acid?
Hell no.
Yo.
Hey, bro, chill, bro.
Motherfucker, I will cast you to fucking hell! I will cast you to hell! Don't fucking record! Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you! Over!
Oh yeah, Bulls definitely in play. So we're gonna take this all the way to 67.20 and then next 67.40. We're gonna wrap up this video and we'll see y'all again tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Same place, YouTube Live, FXBros. We out.